In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payout settings on Patreon. Preview. If you're a creator on Patreon and need to update where your earnings are sent, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact screens to click, what each option means, and a few tips to avoid delays. We'll start right from your creator profile and finish with what to expect after you make changes. First, log into your creator profile. On the left-hand sidebar, click Settings. This is your central hub for account-level options, so it's the right place to manage anything related to billing and money. Next, at the top of the settings page, select the Billing and Payouts tab. This tab focuses on how you get paid and the timing of your billing. If you don't see it immediately, look for the top navigation across the page and choose the section labeled Billing and Payouts. Now you're ready to update how you get your funds. Look for the button that says Add Payout Method if you haven't set one up yet, or Update if you're changing an existing one. Click that and you'll be prompted to choose a payout provider and connect it. Patreon supports linking a bank account through partners like Stripe or Payoneer, or you can use PayPal. Pick the option that works best for you. As you go through the prompts, make sure your legal name and account information match your banking or PayPal details exactly. That helps prevent verification issues and payout delays. Also, be mindful that availability and fees can vary by country and provider, so it's worth reviewing any on-screen notes before confirming. Once you save a new payout method or change an existing one, Patreon applies a security hold. There's a 5-day payout lock, which means payouts won't be sent during that period. This is a normal fraud prevention step and helps keep your earnings safe when account details change. Keep an eye on your inbox. Patreon will send you an email once the lock is released and regular payouts can resume. While you're on the Billing and Payouts tab, you can also pause the upcoming billing cycle if you need a breather to make changes, prepare updates, or manage deliverables. Pausing stops the next cycle from processing, and it can be a useful way to keep things orderly while you sort out payout preferences. Finally, you can change your creator currency here as well. This affects how future pledges are priced and displayed. Before you confirm, read the on-screen guidance so you understand any pricing or fee implications for you and your patrons. That's it. Log in, go to Settings, open Billing and Payouts, update your payout method, expect the 5-day lock, and consider pausing or adjusting currency if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next